In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable calendar view in Trello. If you manage tasks with due dates or timelines, the calendar view is a simple way to see your work laid out over days and weeks so you can plan with confidence. First, open your Trello board. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. Just make sure you're on the exact board you want to visualize. Give the page a second to load so all your lists and cards are visible. Now, look toward the top left corner of your screen, right next to the board's title. You'll see the view switcher. Depending on the last thing you used, it might display a label like board, table, timeline, or another view name. Click that switcher to open the full list of available views for your board. From that list, select Calendar. The moment you choose it, your board will switch from the traditional list and card layout to a clean calendar grid. You'll see your cards appear on the dates that match their due dates or start dates. This is a powerful way to spot what's coming up soon, where the busy periods are, and which weeks might have some breathing room. A quick note for context. The calendar view surfaces cards that already have dates. If it looks a little empty, that usually means your cards don't have due or start dates set, or you're currently viewing a time frame without scheduled work. The view also respects any filters you might have turned on. So if you're filtering by label, member, or keyword, you'll only see the cards that meet those criteria on the calendar. Once you're in calendar view, everything you know from your board still applies. Labels, members, and checklists stay attached to cards, so you can scan for priorities and ownership at a glance. This makes it great for planning sprints, aligning milestones across teams, or simply making sure nothing slips through the cracks as deadlines approach. If you don't see calendar listed in the view switcher, it may be due to your workspace's plan or permissions. In that case, check with whoever manages your Trello workspace for clarity on what's available. And that's it. You've enabled calendar view in Trello. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you visualize your workload and keep projects on schedule. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it.